Let's make a crochet heart together. To get started, you're going to want to do a chain 4, then you're going to connect it to the first chain with a slip stitch, then chain 3. Now we're going to be working into that center that we just created. Do 2 double crochets, then chain 2, three double crochets into the center, then you will repeat that 2 times. So 2 chains, 3 double crochets, 2 times. And at the end, you will slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. You should now have a square with the 2 chain spaces at every corner. Turn your work and chain 3. And 2 double crochets into that chain space. Chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same chain space. Chain 1, and then in the next corner you're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Now you're going to repeat that. You're going to chain 1 up the sides, and each of the corner you're going to do 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets. You're going to make your last chain 1 up the side and then slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. And this completes the granny square part. You're going to turn your work, and we are going to work on the top and bottom part of the heart. Chain 1, single crochet into the same chain space, and then single crochet into the next 3 double crochets. Now you're going to do a single crochet into the corner and chain 2 and make your picot by slip stitching into that second back bump of your chain 2. Single crochet back into the corner, and single crochet into the next 3 double crochets. You're going to want to do a single crochet all the way up the side. So single crochet in the space, single crochet in the next 3 double crochets, and your last single crochet will be in the corner. Now we're going to work our triple crochets, or treble crochets some like to call, and you're going to do 12 of those into the next chain space, which is on the side of the square. This will be the top of our heart. If you need help making a triple/treble crochet, please refer to my tutorial on my page. Next, you are going to slip stitch into the corner space. Then make 12 more triple/treble crochets into the next chain space on the side of the square. Single crochet into the last corner space. Then single crochet into the last remaining 3 double crochets. And fasten off by slip stitching into the first single crochet. And then I like to put my hook around from the back and bring the loop around because I think it creates a nice even edge. I like to leave a long tail because when I tuck in my ends, I use this opportunity to reinforce the bottom of my heart so it keeps a nice sharp edge. And there you have it. I hope you have as much fun making these as I do.